Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this video, we will see how to share games on Steam with friends and family. So, let's get into it. Enable Steam Guard Security, open Steam, and log in to your account. In the top left corner, click on Steam greater than Settings on Windows or Preferences on Mac. Tap on the Account Details tab. Ensure that Steam Guard is enabled. If it's not, click Manage Steam Guard and follow the steps to turn it on via email or mobile authentication. Authorize a computer for family sharing log into Steam on the computer you wish to share your library with. Go to the Steam Settings Preferences menu again. Click on the Family tab, then click on Join Family. This is how you can share games on Steam with friends and family. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Till next time.